Good morning guys! Welcome sa Lancaster New City. Today, tutur ko kayo. Tara, samahan niyo ako. This is our Alice Townhouse model. Two-story townhouse with 1 bathroom and 3 bedrooms. Ito yung first bedroom sa baba. This is the bathroom. Located to sa second floor. And this is the second bedroom. And lastly, the third bedroom. Yan ang ating Alice Townhouse na 40 square meters floor area and 50 square meters lot area. This is our Hana model house from Minami Residence. This is 54 square meters floor area and 80 square meters lot area, quadruplex. Kaya kung hanap mo ay corner lot, bagay na bagay sa iyo to. Meron tayong service area sa likod na pwede nyong gamitin as laundry area, sliding door sa side, sa loob naman makikita nyo na modern style ang pagkakagawa ng Hana. 2 bathrooms na din ito kaya may CR siya sa baba. Ayan ang ating stairs. Makikita nyo naman na very modern ang design. Ito na ang ating first bedroom. As you can see, unlike yung mga usual na ginagamit na window, iba siya. Now, this is our second bedroom. And lastly, the third bedroom. And syempre ang bathroom sa second floor. Yan ang ating Hana model house from Minami Residence, located sa Barangay Santiago, General Trias, Cavite. At ito naman ang Aira single attached unit na magbabalik. Sa ngayon, hindi pa to available para mapasok. So, next time, papasukin natin to. So, yun lang guys. Maraming salamat sa pagsama sa akin. Next time ulit.